You guys want to know what I consider to be the best microphone to record video with? Stay tuned. All right. Today I want to talk about the Rode Video Mic Go. I bought a lot of mics. I like this microphone. It's light. It sits on the camera. Sounds really good. I mean, right now I'm just recording with the camera mic, so you can get a sound difference when I put it back on, right? This wasn't even that expensive. I think I paid $79. I know it wasn't more than $100. I think it was $79 at B&H. I bought some other mics. We're going to talk about other mics, right? But right now, let me put this mic on so you can hear the difference. All right. All right. I'll put the mic on now. I don't know. Well, I know it sounds a whole lot better to me, right? But you guys can be the judge from what it was to what it is now. I bought a lot of mics. I bought this big toner mic. Actually, I use this if I'm sitting at my computer. It's plugged in. I plug it into the computer. I barely use it, but that's what I use it for, the computer over here. It's okay, but I prefer the Rode. I bought some lapel mics. This is the Boya. I don't exactly know all of the numbers to stuff, but this was a wired mic. This wire is so long it was driving me crazy. So, needless to say, I needed something else. Then I bought the wireless mic, the Boya lapel mic. This is a good mic. We're going to do another review on this mic, but this is the Boya wireless. Again, I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see the numbers, but when I do the review on it, you guys will know. So yeah, like I said, that mic, the Rode Video Mic Go, it's light. I don't know what else to say about it. You guys can be the judge of how good it actually sounds. And right now, I'm at least 10 feet away from the mic. So, I love it. You know, just leave a comment, like, subscribe. Any questions, drop them below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.